Dave here with MRT, back at the channel, showcasing our trail-rated axle back on the 2.3 liter manual Bronco. And today we have Nick, one of our customers. What's your first impressions?
I like it. I was worried it might be a little too quiet, but it's perfect.
And the drive over here, cabin comfort was there?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, and actually it makes it more fun. Being a manual, it was really quiet before, just to hear yourself, get up to the RPM you expect to shift at.
Awesome.
It really kind of connects you to the vehicle more.
And how was your experience at MRT getting the system installed?
Oh, it was great. It was quick and easy. I was worried I was going to have to do it myself, which would have been that big of a deal, but 20 minutes, had it all taken care of.
Awesome, Nick. Well, thank you so much.